Welcome back to MCQ Cracker. In this video we will be practicing some multiple choice questions based on FSSAI Chapter 3, which includes general principles of food safety. 1. Which principle under Chapter 3 ensures the responsibility for food safety lies with the food business operator? A. Preventive control. B. Traceability. C. Primary responsibility of FBO. D. Risk analysis. Answer: C. Primary responsibility of FBO. Explanation: the FBO is primarily responsible for ensuring food meets safety standards. 2. Which approach is adopted under FSSAI to prevent food safety hazards before they occur? A. Risk management. B. Precautionary principle. C. Preventive approach. D. HACCP. Answer: C. Preventive approach. Explanation: the law promotes prevention rather than reaction. 3. Under the FSSAI, food safety should be ensured at which stage of the food chain? A. At manufacturing only. B. From farm to fork. C. During packaging. D. At retail level only. Answer: B. From farm to fork. Explanation: food safety must be maintained across the entire food chain. 4. The principle of responsibility across the food chain emphasizes on A. Only producers being responsible. B. Shared responsibility among all involved. C. Consumers' responsibility. D. Governmental control only. Answer: B. Shared responsibility among all involved. Explanation: everyone in the food chain is accountable. 5. What principle applies when scientific evidence is insufficient, but risk to health is suspected? A. Evidence-based principle. B. Precautionary principle. C. Transparency. D. Product recall. Answer: B. Precautionary principle. Explanation: it allows measures to be taken even when full data isn't available. 6. FSSAI encourages that food safety controls should be A. Arbitrary and complex. B. Minimal and reactive. C. Science-based and proportionate to risk. D. Always strictly regulated. Answer: C. Science-based and proportionate to risk. Explanation: controls should be based on risk and scientific evidence. 7. Risk communication under FSSAI involves A. Only communicating to the food business operator. B. One-way communication from authority to FBO. C. Interactive exchange between risk assessors and stakeholders. D. Confidential reports only. Answer: C. Interactive exchange between risk assessors and stakeholders. Explanation: risk communication includes all stakeholders, FBOs, consumers, and regulators. 8. Traceability is important because it A. Reduces cost. B. Allows targeted withdrawal of unsafe food. C. Avoids labeling. D. Protects branding only. Answer: B. Allows targeted withdrawal of unsafe food. Explanation: traceability helps identify and recall unsafe food. 9. The term hazard refers to A. All food products. B. Any biological, chemical, or physical agent in food. C. Marketing strategy. D. Government restriction. Answer: B. Any biological, chemical, or physical agent in food. Explanation: hazards can be microbial, chemical, or physical. 10. Under FSSAI, food safety must be ensured A. Only during final testing. B. After consumer complaints. C. Through the entire process, including preparation, handling, and consumption. D. After government inspection only. Answer: C. Through the entire process, including preparation, handling and consumption. Explanation: safety must be ensured at all stages of production and handling. 11. What is the role of risk analysis under FSSAI? A. To punish defaulters. B. To promote only organic food. C. To assess, manage, and communicate food-related risks. D. To approve food advertisements. Answer: C. To assess, manage, and communicate food-related risks. Explanation: risk analysis has 3 components: assessment, management, and communication. 12. Food safety measures must be based on A. Cultural beliefs. B. Opinion polls. C. Scientific evidence and risk analysis. D. Local politics. Answer: C. Scientific evidence and risk analysis. Explanation: scientific evidence is the foundation for food safety decisions. 13. Which principle mandates the withdrawal or recall of unsafe food from the market? I. Supply chain management. B. Traceability. C. Public disclosure. D. Penalty enforcement. Answer B. Traceability. Explanation. Traceability ensures food products can be traced and recalled if unsafe. 14. Who is accountable for food safety as per FSSAI Chapter 3? A. Only food inspectors. B. Only the government. C. Food business operators, FBOs. D. Consumers. Answer C. Food business operators. Explanation. FBOs are primarily responsible for ensuring the food they produce is safe. 15. According to FSSAI, the food control system should be I. Centralized only. B. Static and inflexible. C. Dynamic and responsive to new risks. D. Based on traditional practices. Answer C. Dynamic and responsive to new risks. Explanation. The food control system should evolve with changing risks. 16. The purpose of transparency in food safety includes A. Keeping food recipes secret. B. Hiding risks from the public. C. Ensuring open communication and public trust. D. Protecting company profit. Answer C. Ensuring open communication and public trust. Explanation. Transparency helps build consumer confidence in the food system. 17. Risk assessment in food safety involves A. Making food ads. B. Buying insurance. C. Identifying and evaluating hazards and their impact. D. Checking marketing data. Answer C. Identifying and evaluating hazards and their impact. Explanation. Risk assessment is a scientific process to estimate risk levels. 18. The concept of safe food under FSSO implies A. Good tasting food. B. Food with attractive packaging. C. Food free from contaminants and hazards. D. Expensive food. Answer C. Food free from contaminants and hazards. Explanation. Safe food is hygienic and free from biological, chemical, and physical hazards. 19. Food recall is required when A. Food becomes unpopular. B. Food is incorrectly labeled. C. Food is proven or suspected to be unsafe. D. A new variety is launched. Answer C. Food proven or suspected to be unsafe. Explanation. Food recall is done when health risk is suspected or confirmed. 20. Precautionary principle is used when A. There's complete certainty. B. Evidence is conclusive. C. There's scientific uncertainty about a serious risk. D. FSSAI has issued no guidelines. Answer C. There's scientific uncertainty about a serious risk. Explanation. It allows preventive action in the face of uncertainty. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe MCQ Cracker for more videos. In our next video we will be discussing